The chemistry of dissatisfaction is as the chemistry of some marvelously potent tar. In it are the building stones of explosives, stimulants, poisons, opiates, perfumes, and stenches. Over here, I am welcoming Dr. Vidyavati Shastri, Professor and Head of the Department of Chemistry in SEA College of Engineering and Technology, Bangalore, Karnataka. Welcome, ma'am.
Namaste. Namaste.
Center of Chemistry and Chemical Excellence, or Triple CE, is organizing India's largest chemical article writing competition. And Triple CE is the rostrum to showcase research on chemicals and chemistry globally and get an opportunity to learn new things, new techniques via training programs and lectures. So my first question is, being an advisory board member, why is this kind of activity important for the chemistry and chemical fraternity?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. So now I am the advisory board committee member of CCNE, and now I will tell you what is the requirement of this competition. So we all know chemistry plays an important role and useful towards the development of growth in many fields like science, technology, medical field, environment, fuels, energy, etc. It gives very useful and necessary, it's a very useful and necessary field.
Yeah.
And it has many research opportunities. It has many research opportunities compared to the other subjects. It's a very vast subject. It covers almost all the fields of the science technology. So many researchers are involved in doing research work. Many fields, lot of papers they are publishing every year, and they are getting many useful solutions for many difficult solutions. For example, for this pandemic corona also, they found very useful solution for it. So many researchers are involved in doing research work. But when the freshers or the academicians, when they do the research work, they must know how to publish their work.
Yeah.
So to publish their work, so the publication, it has its own method. So how to write papers, how to write the papers, how to refer different journals, and which journals they have to choose, and what is the importance of the journals, which journal they have to go for, and every journal has its own guidelines, they have to follow it. So journal, when they are writing the paper, their publications, so when the researchers do the research work, they have to put it in a proper way to present it as a paper. So for that, there is one method always. So they have to write some abstract first, methodology, what all the chemicals they are using, what is the method they are following, and how they have to tabulate the results, the experimental results, and how they have to prove that it is useful and it is correct to some extent. So for all that, the researcher should need the idea, the knowledge to write the published work, the research work.
Yeah.
So for that, if the students take part in such competitions, so they will get the knowledge to write the paper, the
Absolutely.
impact factor of paper, etc. So this competition is very, very necessary. And if they take such competitions, they'll become familiar for presenting their work in a proper way.
Yeah. So how can students, professionals, academicians take the advantage of Triple CE?
Pardon?
How can students, academicians, and professionals take the advantage of Triple CE?
Yeah. See, actually, this by taking this competition, part of this competition, students will get the knowledge of presenting their work in reputed journals. So the CCNE is a reputed journal because it has many international journals. In almost, it covers all the fields. They have very good impact factors. So engineering field, they can, engineers also can publish the works.
Yeah,
The
absolutely.
health, pharmaceuticals, the pharmacy field also they have developed very well. Thermodynamics, I am taking part in chemical kinetics and thermodynamics. Like that, so many journals are there. They have very good network. They have very good reputed editors, so which can give encouragement to the researchers, and they can grade the researchers by giving good comments. Hence, it is very useful for the people to take part in this CCNE.
Yeah. And what
It
is
is beneficial for,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, please continue. Please continue.
So when the publishes his work in such journals, so they get more and more citations. So it helps them for their to improve their social network, and also they may get good opportunities also. This is my this.
Okay, then what is the current requirement for students and professionals to go forward in the chemistry and chemical domain?
Okay. So students, academicians, professors are getting advantage by doing research in chemistry, because chemistry students in all the fields, in all the researchers should take part in chemistry work, because it has very good exposures in almost all the fields. It has good opportunities in all the fields. So it is a very important, useful field. So our day starts and ends with chemistry. So we need not tell the importance of chemistry, because when we start our day, we start with the water, paste, etc., air, etc. It all includes the study of chemistry, and also it ends with the chemistry. The materials what we are using, starting with your plastic materials, wood materials, and our technology, our batteries, etc., energy, air, water, soil, everything includes the chemistry applications. So it touches every aspect of the aspect of our existence. It is essential for the basic needs of food, medicine, clothes, okay, shelter, energy, soil, clean water, automobiles, materials, polymers. For almost all the applications of technology, the chemistry field is required. Chemistry is required. And now also about the fossil fuels also we have studied, but everyday fossil fuels are diminishing. Fossil fuels are diminishing. So they have to do a lot of work about the alternate sources of energy. So the alternate sources, the chemistry contributes more for the alternative sources of energy. So the alternate sources of energy are solar energy, biodiesels, bio power alcohol, etc. So power alcohol is it is the blend of alcohol and petrol, so which saves the petrol. So all includes chemistry, and it is very important field, as I know.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So, ma'am, if I talk about research, in terms of research, how research and research-based publication in the chemistry means publication in the chemistry and chemical domain can be improved using CCE-like platforms.
CCC? Yes.
CCC, my question is, how research and research-based publication in the chemistry and chemical domain can be improved using CCE-like platforms.
Okay. So that CCE is a very growing and giving very, very important network for the chemistry researchers.
Yeah.
Because it provides the field in which the researchers can publish their work, and in almost all the fields. So it's a leading chemical platform. It's a leading chemical platform which is developed and existing the present and advanced technologies. It's a very good platform for the researchers, for the existing field, and also for the advanced technologies, technology of chemistry and chemical engineering also. So chemical processes includes the chemical engineering. So it gives very good platform for all the researchers.
Yeah.
And it facilitates the understanding of concept of being and existing, technology and existing and creating revolution through it. It covers journals of all the fields of engineering and technology, and also pharmacy also. Books, conferences, and it conducting the so many competitions like this. So
Yeah.
it is very good platform for all the chemistry researchers.
Absolutely.
Chemistry researchers. And it provides good opportunity for the academicians and researchers to publish their articles, which has very good, all the journals have very good impact factors. And journals are indexed in very good journals, so that the students, the people who publish in this, they get very good citations. So that's very, very important for the researchers. So if they get the good citations, so that means the people are identifying their work, that is citation means. So they are getting very good citations. It includes, this CCNE includes very peer-viewed journal.
Yeah.
So the people likes to publish their work in these journals.
So thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for supporting CCE as well. And thank you for your words. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.